In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Overview and Layers panel in Draw.io to manage your diagrams more easily. Let's start from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Draw.io editor. If you're starting fresh, you'll see an untitled diagram with a blank canvas. This is your main working area where you'll create and arrange your shapes, connectors, and any other elements in your diagram. Once the editor is open, look for the option labeled Overview. Depending on your layout, this is usually available in the side panel or as a small floating window. Go ahead and click on Overview. The overview gives you a miniature map of your entire diagram. This is especially helpful when you're working on large or complex diagrams because it lets you navigate quickly without constantly zooming in and out. You can drag the visible area inside the overview to move around the canvas. Next, we're going to focus on the highlight feature. Click on the highlight option that appears in the same context, typically in the layers or overview-related controls. When you click highlight, it will emphasize specific parts of your diagram or certain layers, making it clearer which elements you're working with. This is useful when you want to visually separate one part of the diagram from the rest, for example, while presenting or editing a particular section. After that, click on Overview again to see how the changes look with highlighting applied. You may notice that some elements or layers show a red indicator. Red usually means that a layer is locked. A locked layer can't be edited or moved by accident, which is very handy when you have background elements or finalized sections that you don't want to change. If something isn't responding when you try to move it, check whether its layer is locked. Now, click on the highlight controls once more to adjust or confirm what you're emphasizing. This helps you refine exactly what's being drawn attention to on the diagram. Next, click on Highlight again where you see the layer controls. Here you'll notice an eye icon next to each layer. You can press the eye button to hide the layer. Hiding a layer temporarily removes its contents from view without deleting them. This is perfect for simplifying what you see, focusing on one part of the diagram at a time, or preparing different views for different audiences. Finally, click on the layer labeled in your panel, just as shown in the guide. This selects that specific layer so that any changes you make will apply only to the elements on that layer. By combining the overview, highlight, lock, and hide options, you'll have much better control over complex diagrams in Draw.io.